Welcome back to Creation X. I'm Kim.
I'm Edith, and I got Love with Food today, which is behind Kim getting her look fantastic. So we're filming back to back. I'm going to open this puppy. The knife works, which actually did really quick. And I know they kind of organize this now. I'm so scared this is always going to drop out. I feel like this is one that will hit my sister in the face like she almost does me. But that is what it looks like open. So it has a lot of goodies, which I'm going to try to hand some to her. Some of them are ones that I've never seen before. Yay! So this was a snack, happy all summer long. Dive into tasty snacks made with real ingredients and stay fueled through all of summer's adventures. You can earn free snacks by sharing your experience, earning points. You're helping families in need. One box delivered does equal 2 meals donated to Feeding America. Yes, which is like an awesome thing. So it just has like that card there and that card there that kind of just welcomes you. The first thing I'm pulling out, oh, interesting. Bioactive multi-essential vitamins, minerals, and other micronutrients for optimal health. Bioactive gel by Healthy Cell. I can't say that. That's just weird. I've never seen, it looks all scientific. And so there's that. So that's the first thing I got. And I got something just like this. The last time I didn't eat it because I just haven't eaten it yet. But this is Crunchers sea salt, gluten-free, 7 grams protein. It's sprouted protein snack. This one I'll probably eat. The other one I think was like barbecue something. I just didn't quite want to eat it. So I can't convince anybody else to eat it either yet. One of my favorite things that is in here, Tillamook. Oh, it's a Tillamook one now. Smoked meat snack, original country smoker. I love me some jerky. Yes, I do. And I can get these like order my where I work in our little market. They have these Welch's Superfruit mixed fruit snacks, which I like fruit snacks. Although if they're made with gelatin, I was like, is it? I like tapioca more than gelatin, but anyway, I might eat it, might not. And I feel like I always get one of these as a stroopwafel, if I'm saying that right, and caramel. My daughter always begs me to share these with her, so I probably will. Then something else I like that I'm getting again is Do One Better popcorners, sweet and salty kettle corn. I can eat this so fast. They're so easy to eat and they're yummy. Okay. Oh, bloody ale. Okay. Bobo's Oat Bites Coconut. It's coconut.
But you might not be able to tell.
I probably wouldn't want to try, but that's okay. I'll probably give it to somebody. And then Orgain Kids Protein Nutritional Shake Chocolate Flavor. Either for my kids or for me if I want to be a kid. I don't know why they give me stuff like that, but that's okay.
It has to be for like family. That's all I'm guessing is that this box
This
must be
is
for...
Apple Simply Wholesome Oatmeal Bar. This is another repeat. I think I gave it to my daughter last time, so I'll probably give it. I always give it to my daughter. I don't know why my son, he doesn't want to have this stuff. This is ZZ's Campfire S'more Soft Baked Bar. I think I got this, but it might have been a different flavor. I'm not sure, but there's that. And then there's grain-free paleo puffs. No cheesiness. Interesting. And see, we don't have a lot of, what do you call it, like dietary needs. So when they give me stuff, I mean, I think that's cool that they make it, but I can eat whatever, pretty much, except I hate coconut. Pop Chits, Nutter Puffs, I've had these before. They're peanut butter flavored, so they're pretty good, but it's just weird. A lot of these are like repeats. This is the one that I don't think I've gotten before. It's Joy Bowl, Smoothie Bowl, Super Berries and Acai, Snap Add Stir. How much protein? 11 grams. So yeah, this is something I would like as long as it tastes good. I would like that. And then there's a whole lot of salted dark chocolate Cliff Bar. I like the Cliff Bars. Cliff Bars. Although granola bars, I get a lot of them and then I don't eat them. I don't know why. And then there's Kodiak Cakes, Bear Bites, Crunchier Graham Crackers, protein packed. 5 grams, that's not bad for like a cookie or cracker. I mean, that's pretty good. Usually it's 2 or 3 if you're lucky. Just a couple more things. We got macro snacks, barbecue sauce, munchable, crunchable, kind of balanced crisp. That looks pretty good for the most part. And then last but not least, oh, I don't think I like, well, I don't think I'll like it.
You got them before, haven't you?
Yeah, but I don't know if it's peanut butter.
Oh.
But these are Ginger Chews by Prince of Peace. Makes me think of the Hallelujah Messiah course. It says peanut butter though, so at least they're like peanut butter and ginger. Ginger, it's okay, but it's kind of like a strong flavor for me, so that's why. There's that, which I don't throw it like my sister. There's just that card. There's free straw.
I'm trying to set it nowadays, so.
Redeem coupon at simplystraws.com /snacknation. If that's for a straw that's like, I love straws. I feel bad for the turtles because I love
Redeem your free
straws.
straw.
But I'm good with paper straws, but I do not like drinking with sippy cups. Pack Picky, delicious organic nutrition, the little kids protein. There's just a little advertisement for it saying 25% less sugar. And a back to school sweepstakes.
And
I'm
I'm
probably enter.
sorry I'm so tired. We had a long day
This
today.
we've been in the sun a lot. This box is around $20 a month. I did buy the whole year, and I do like the box, even though sometimes they give me weird things. At least for the most part, it's stuff I actually will eat and do like to eat. But if this video is quick enough for you, give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to be part of our future giveaways and the current one we're doing right now. And we'll catch you in our next video.
Take care.
Bye.